Hi, I'm Srikanth Narasimhan, coach and mentor for the kids to live their aspirational lives. Though I mention kids, I'm predominantly trying to focus on the teens because their aspirational lives are going to create more impact to the society. Last video, I talked about my vision and my mission to help 10,000 kids by 2025 to live their aspirational lives. In continuation to that, I am going to talk about the first step of vision. So, today we are going to talk about exploring oneself. To explore oneself, it's very important that you have a value system which will be helping you to achieve your vision. So, let's start. What is a value? A value is something that is inbuilt in us, which is nothing but a rule or a principle or the standards that we follow in our life. So there are three types of values. The first type is your core internal value, what you are made of, what are the qualities or the principles you have. Okay. The second one is your family values. As a family, you will have some principles and some rules which varies between family to family. And the third is a society where you follow some rules and principles for the society, like the moment you step out of the house, from there to your school we have different regulations or some principles which are common across. So that is what we are going to discuss today about the values. The first value is yourself. It's very important that you know what your qualities are. So how do you know it? That is very simple. So far you have been living and you have been expressing some of your qualities. You are living on your qualities. Like for instance, you will be waking up on time. That shows punctuality as your value. You don't go late to school. That's again punctuality. You eat properly without wasting food. That shows your importance not to waste food and orderliness. Okay. Same way you don't want to tell lies. That's another simple example of your value system. These are all something which is inborn in you or you would have cultivated, but predominantly most of them will be inborn, which you are developing over a period of time. The second is your family value. Every family are known for their value system or the rules and the principles they follow. For instance, some family, they want to ensure that they have the dinner and lunch together in the weekends. That helps them to create the family bonding. That is one thing, one example. The second could be always when they meet the elders, they seek their blessings. That is another family value. So these kind of things are related to the family. Okay. So every family have their own unique value system. It may be common across some families, but it may be unique also. But they have something special, like their clan or their cousins, their great grandfathers, everybody will have follow the same for generations. Okay. The third value system is your society. When I say society, it is more about your school or the society is your place where you live. right? So when you go to the school, what are the common rules they follow? Maintain silence. That means you are going to be disciplined to be silent. You should be having a proper dress. That means you are following the disciplined clothing, and you should go in a line. That is for orderly. And when you want to take help, say thank you, they say. That's another value system, saying gratitude for something what somebody helped you. Right? These are the few examples I can tell for you to understand the value system. Okay. What it is related to your vision or the goals. That's what we are going to see next. Now, having identified what the values are, it's very important you have to think within yourself as what your values are. Whatever I told is something generic and that is commonly visible to everyone. But you may have the common qualities as well as something unique. Remember one thing, everyone is unique. Every human being in the earth is unique, they have their own talent. And having said that they have the talent, there are also some things which they have to let go. Some qualities in them which are not good. For instance, in my own case, I lose my cool. I get angry with my kids and my wife earlier regularly, frequently. Okay, even something happens wrong, I will scold, then only I will calm down. But last 1 month, I am making some conscious attempt. I want to reduce my anger. So this is something I want to let go. Right? So your value system or the qualities can be adopted as well. That's why I brought this example. Now, let us go to the simple exercise which you can do it in 5-10 minutes. Just take a note, write down the top 3 things that you want to be known among your friends. You want to be known as a helping boy or a girl in front of your friends. You want to be known as a respected person or respected friend, where your friends knows that you will not shout at them or you will not fight with them. These are simple examples. Like this, you please sit for 5-10 minutes, think calmly, and write down in a piece of paper what are the good qualities in you that you want to be known among your friends, school friends or neighborhood friends. Okay, this is the first exercise. The second exercise is same within your house, because many of us, including me, we pamper our kids. So sometimes my kids take situation to their advantage because of our pampering, right? That's not something to be right or wrong. I'm not being judgmental here, but that's the kid's nature to discuss and get things what they want from their parents. Okay, so now you please think what are the things, 3 good things which your parents or your grandparents, uncles, aunts, all in your family are happy about. It can be again family bonding, like you are pleasant with and courteous with everybody, all the elders. That's just a simple example I'm giving. Or it can be helping them, for instance, taking a chair and putting it for your grandfather or grandmother. That's again something they may be appreciative. So these are the simple examples I'm giving to you to think about. Okay, it's just a simple example, but please don't write something for the sake of writing. The moment you write these things, okay, you just check with yourself whether your friends or parents also think the same way as you are thinking about you. This is very simple but a very powerful one. The reason why I am asking you to do this is because you are going to understand what your inner values are. Then you go to the next step of forming the goals. Okay, there is one more important step to be done in this. Now you have understood what you are known for among your friends and family, what your parents think about you. But you also know something that you don't want to be known for. Correct? That is something like I told example of myself. I don't want to be known as a angry father in front of my kids or angry husband in front of my wife. But unfortunately, I have been doing it for years. So I am working on that and I am controlling myself. When I say controlling, I am not saying I don't get anger, but I know how to manage it and allow it to channelize it. When I get anger, I make my kids to understand that what they are doing is not right. They should not do it again. So that is the approach I am taking. Okay. Same way, you have to think and understand what you want to let go. What are the qualities in you is not helping you. Instead, it is creating more problem for you. Like sleeping long hours and going late to school. It's a very simple thing, right? Or not planning to take your lessons on time. I will do it tomorrow. I'll do it day after tomorrow. Or this is a weekend, so I'll do it on Sunday night. So all these things are something you have to let go. Now, the moment you remove the things which you want to go out of you. I want to say anger, go. I don't want from my mind, I say I don't want to be angry, so I take it and put it. Put it in the dustbin. Same way, you also know some other things are not helping you. So please let that go. Put some effort and make that vanish from you. Okay, then you will know what your positive things are. Then go to the goals. Identify what you want to achieve in your life. What you want to get in next 2 years, 3 years and 5 years and 10 years like that. So put a plan. So that goal I will cover in the next video. But in this video, I hope you got what is the importance of the values and what are different types of values, and then you are going to explore yourself what you are made of, what are your core values which you want to be associated or identified so that people around you know about you. Okay, and then you will also take some steps to remove the things which is not helping you, like sleeping late and waking up late and not doing homework on time, postponing it to weekend and then in the last minute rushing up. All these things are some things which as children or the teens we are used to it. And even as in my childhood I would have done the same thing, but I learnt it. That's why I am here talking to you, because if I don't know these things, I will not be sitting in front of you and talking about these things, because I have overcome that and I'm working on myself. Okay, so these things will help you to understand what you are. There are further things in the value system which I will cover in some other day. Okay, so I hope this session was useful for you. Looking forward to next video session with you. Please don't forget to give your comments, and this session is going to help everybody, though I am focusing on the teens in particular, but please think within yourself and spend some time analyzing yourself and feeling these exercises. See you soon. Bye. Have a great day. Bye.